Christine Lyons. Good
morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Christine. Who's this with you?
This is my son Haji.
Haji. How are you? Come up here.
When the morning comes, when we see what we become. In the cold night of day, we're a flame in the wind, not the fire.
How old are you, Haji?
8.
8 years old?
Yeah.
You want to help me out?
Yeah.
I need some help, okay?
Okay.
All right, you have to promise me that you'll be honest.
Okay.
You promise?
Yes.
Okay, now, I know it's your mom. You're gonna help me make a decision. And you're gonna tell me either guilty or not guilty, okay?
Not guilty.
No. You don't know, but I'm gonna show you a video. Okay, then after you look at the video, you're gonna tell me guilty or not guilty, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Now you promise to be honest.
Okay.
Say yes.
Yes.
Okay. So your mom is charged with going through a red light on Roger Williams Avenue and Elmwood Avenue. And we're gonna look at a video of it, okay?
I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier. When the evening falls and I'm left
First vehicle was your mom's vehicle. We're gonna look at it once more. Okay, now you can't make a right-hand turn here. The light is red. This is your mom's vehicle. And she made a right-hand turn. So, is she guilty or not guilty?
Not guilty. How is that my dad?
Oh. Smart boy.
It's true.
Okay. Did you talk to your dad about this morning?
Nah, he's in Africa.
Oh, he's in Africa.
Yeah.
Oh, he's coming back.
Yeah.
How long is he going to be there for?
I don't know.
What do you want to tell me about this?
That is my fiance in the car, and he would be here today if he could, but like he said, he was deported in June of this year.
And that's this young guy's dad?
Yeah, and my baby.
Do you know if you're having a boy or a girl?
Huh? A girl.
You're having a girl. What are you going to name her?
Athena.
Athena. That's a beautiful name.
Thank you.
Well, I'm not going to hold you responsible for something that you didn't do, even though you're responsible because the car's registered to you. So we're going to give you an early baby gift. Okay, so this is for Athena.
Okay.
Right, with the wish and hope that she's a healthy, bouncy baby that brings you joy and happiness. Okay? Good luck to you. Thank you for helping me out. That was a good answer this young guy gave me. So my mom is not guilty because it was my dad driving the car. Okay, you can go back to your mom.